are breaking this law? This ban is not the Bangladeshi while we are Indians, okay? We have studied from the childhood here. The government wants the children to study, they want to get educated. But why you people are coming and bringing the house? Where will go? Why you are breaking this law? This ban is not the Bangladeshi while we are Indians, okay? We have studied from the childhood here. The government wants the children to study, they want to get educated. But why you people are coming and bringing the house? Where will go? The exam is starting. Since the exam is starting, how will give the final exam? We are class 10. Not to break. What is going on in this houses? No, it's not that we are paying the money for this, okay? We are not simply staying here. To break this land. Why you are breaking this land? This ban is not the Bangladeshi while we are Indians, okay? We have studied from the childhood here. The government wants the children to study, they want to get educated. But why you people are coming and bringing the house? Where will go? Where will go study? Since the exam is starting, how will give the final exam? We are class 10. Education is very important for us. Have to declare the result that I have to pass in the exam. If they will give the same result, they should give the pass result that we can go in class 11 and to promote in class 11. If I cannot study here, this Dimapur, this Dudu colony student, all the class 10, 11, 12 students, they want the pass result, then only we will fight for our rights. If they will give the same result, we will fight for our rights. The Chief Minister of Assam have to give the rights and they have to see the result also. They have to see about the children so that the children have to pass in the exam. I have the request to the Chief Minister of Assam that you have to declare the result that we are passed.
আমার পাট্টা আছে, আমার হাইকোর্ট অর্ডার আছে না, আমার
টাইম নিয়ে
আমার করোনা স্যার আমার স্যার আপনাকে ফোন করো না বানো
নোটিশ দিয়া নাই নেকি আপনার ওরা
Directly came and they asked to go from here. They directly ordered that we have to leave the house. If they will not leave, they will break us, they will harm us, then only they will break the house. What is this? This is not a right, okay? They got the notice in Bajar, in Chilla, they gave the notice, but why they not in this side?
Then just let them go to the church and let them break the church.
যদি কার্বিআলম কাউন্সিলর হিম্মত আছে, কার্বিআলম কাউন্সিলর হিম্মত আছে তো নগরগড় ভাঙি দেখাও কাগজ, নগরগড় ভাঙিও কাগজ, আমি নিজে ভাঙি দিই, আমি মজদুর নিজে ভাঙি দিই, নগরগড় ভাঙি দেখাও।
আমার দিনে
বাচ্চা সব স্কুল হলো এলাকাটা কিটা স্কুল পাতি পড়েগা
What is he? What's going on? We cannot study. What is this government is doing? If they are anything about us, what is the education?
Are the police trying to evict you forcefully?
ইয়াত দিয়া না একো
No, police
they did not give anyone notice also.
Yes, what is directly came and asked one children to get education. We didn't have any rights to stay in the city. But I cannot prepare for this all. This land, where we'll go? My school is in Kermol only. I cannot study for this exam also. My exam is starting from January 12th. We are getting the intervacation. How will study? School gave the vacations for study leave only, but we are not getting any leave. What we'll do with this leave? This leave is no use. If the school will open, then only we can study, right? But by giving this vacation, they thought that we can study by sitting at home. But we didn't have any house. How I will study? Yes, our government wants us to get the educated. We have the rights to stay in the citizen. But where is that rights? Where is the government rules? The government wants us to stay in the footpath. But if the footpath will stay, where the footpath people will go? If we all will go in the footpath, where the footpath people will go? All will stay in the footpath or what? There is no place to go also. If the government really wants us to break this house, they should give us the land also to stay. They should give us the protection also to survive. They should also see that the students are getting the exam. The students want to appear the exam, class 10, class 11, class 12. Where do we go? If we will not study,
very small.
Many students
we have the right to education. But where is the education gone? Where is the government rules gone if we will not study?